Okay, so you're welcome to another one of my messy experiments, and I've opened up ChatGPT and I'm going to add in my two files. Okay, get them from that one and also get them from this one. And I'm going to say, okay, I'm just going to say, please review the attached files and complete the steps as outlined in the bridge prompt example PDF. Yeah, let's see what it does here. I'm going to put this on pause for a second while it's doing its thing. Okay, that was it. Complete training file here. Okay, give it a raw data, insert the pivot field. Yeah, insert instruction inside Excel or a separate PDF, and I said you can use either. See the summary, self-study. Okay, so let's have a look now at what's downloaded here. And let's have a quick look. Now I'm going to look over here at this one. Okay, there's my raw data. Yeah, that's quite good. Enable editing. Yeah, the only thing though is that that's done by again, product totals are there as well, all quite good. The only thing I have about that is that these are all done as charts, not as pivot tables. So this gives you, the instructions are quite good here, but it's interesting to see that when you look at what they've actually done, they haven't done this as a pivot table. All right, but yeah, I think that's quite an interesting experiment, and yeah, worth having a look at. It'd be interesting to see. I think the one thing that's kind of clear to me from it is that bridge one is actually quite good, and that could be. But again, it kind of comes back to the thing of that you really need to understand and think about what exactly you're trying to do. All right. Hope you found that useful. Another little messy experiment, but shorter one today. Take care. Bye.